meeting the artistic community in Assam and then going abroad. Stuff like that. It was very nice. I have to use the word magical because that's how it was. It's very hard to find words to describe what happened, but it was very easy to see on every face, how people were feeling, and I thought that was like extraordinary to have so many people from all different walks of life being not afraid to show their feelings, and they were not afraid. They were not shy to show their feelings. Then I thought that, well, then that's very special, that if one person's life work can people about feeling honest about how they feel, then must be there. There must be something very special there. So I know my work is to find out what that is. Well, it'd be very hard to step into my dad's shoes. I don't think anybody can step into his shoes. But what he has done, and I was talking to my cousins about it, is that even after he's gone, he threw both like a tremendous gift and at the same time a challenge for us to try and follow up and not let people down, basically. Oh yeah, I have my flight back on the 19th. So I have to get back to work and my family. But I'm at a phase in my life where I want to start traveling and spend more time. And this is one of the big destinations for me to come here and see the rest of the Northeast, and I plan to come here more often. If I can play a useful role in that, I would, yes. But I'm already receiving other people's translations of his works, and translations are very tricky, and it's hard to find good translations. So if I see a good translation, then I'm going to promote it. Well, they're aware, I'm trying because they didn't grow up in this country. At least I had a little bit of connection here, so I had some idea. But I think they and all my friends and everybody in the world is going to be very surprised at the people's reaction to my dad's passing. I think that it's going to be, they're going to.
Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi has said that the state government will all that is necessary to convince the centre to confer the Bharat Ratna award to music maestro Bhupen Hazarika posthumously. Gogoi met family members of Hazarika at the Nizarpur residence and said that the government will consult the people of Assam before deciding on the religious ceremonies to be performed for the eternal peace of the Baladia's soul.
Much before, you see, what Sushma Swaraj, he's proposing to raise. You see, but this is a time one should not go for politicalizes. I am not politicalizing this. In fact, otherwise, this is today not an occasion to talk about the Bharat Ratna. You see, it is a desire of everybody, people of Assam. Already we have taken up. She could have waited another 1 or 2 days. You see, today is the last funeral day. To raising such a question, I am not raising. I don't want to take a credit. Amar phalopar sipar ami korim. Kan porialokol to koribo noare. Right. Amar phalopar jiman sombhob ami সকলো korim. Ami to koriছোই. Amar phalopar jitu koribo lage ami nichhoy ami সকলো ami korim. Bujhane? Porialor phalopar hoy, porial iman dangor eta keneke koribo. You see, aji otia আমি যদি নকল পৰিয়ালে কেনে কৰিব এটো আৰু তেখেত পৰিয়ালৰ নহয় ন গোটে আসামৰে হেৰি আমি যদি আমাৰ আমঠু বুলি কৈছো আমাৰ আপোন বুলি কৈছো যদি আপোন যদি আমি গোটে তেখেতৰ শ্ৰাদ্ধ পাতিব লাগিব গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট কি পাব্লিকো আমি সকলোৱে পাতিব লাগিব কথাটো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টটো এটা হেৰি হে মই ভাবো যে আমি সকলোৱে মিলি আমি হেতু কথাটো মই বুলি ভাবো আমি পাব্লিককো কম যে এটা মই কওঁ যে পাব্লিকো ফিল কৰিব লাগে যে ইয়াতো মোৰ কন্ট্ৰিবিউশন আছে কথাটো আমাৰ ফালৰপৰা আমি দিম আমি বিচাৰো যে অসমৰ ৰাইজেও ফিল কৰক যে মোৰ ইয়াত কন্ট্ৰিবিউশন আছে কথাটো যে যি যেনেকৈ পাৰে মই কোৱা নাই যে কোনোবা 10 টকাও দিব পাৰে কোনোবা 100 টকাও দিব পাৰে কোনোবা বেছিও দিব যাৰ যি পাৰে তেতিয়া প্ৰত্যেককে ফিল কৰিব যে ইয়াত মোৰো হেৰি আছে অনুদান আছে মই বিচাৰো তেখেতৰ অনুষ্ঠানটো যেটো আমি মেমৰিয়েলে সকলো আলোচনা কৰিম মই আমি কি কৰিম আমি তো কোৱা নাই
Meanwhile, Bhupen Hazarika touched the entire state of Assam and beyond with his baritone voice crooning melodious songs. However, there is one special place that touched Hazarika to the soul, and this place is the village of Kuthori in Kaziranga, where he had built a house in the hope of spending his old age. Surrounded by natural beauty, this house was the birthplace of many melodies and creative ideas for his movies and an oasis in the hustle and bustle of life. We bring you a special report.
The Kuthori village of Kaziranga held a special place in the heart of our dearly departed Bhupen Hazarika, which is why he built a house there, in which he dreamt of living in his old age. However, the dream was to remain unfulfilled, and the house in Kuthori still stands for the musical legend. This residence houses many memories. Numerous songs were composed by the maestro within its four walls, and the walls are still pictures painted by Bhupenda himself. Numerous letters and awards felicitating him, gathered from various places he performed, are still stacked high in these rooms. The bed that he lay on was the very bed where his genius gave birth to many melodies while playing. The bed was where ideas for the movie Prajapati were conceived. Soaked in the natural beauty of neighboring Nagaon, Golaghat and Karbi Anglong, the balladeer built his house to partake of the scenic splendor. Traveling to and from Upper and Lower Assam, this house used to be a heaven of relaxation for the maestro, and he would even go fishing while he was here. Bhupenda used to go to the hilly village of Rongbongwe of Karbi Anglong, 10 kilometers from Kuthori, to meditate for musical inspiration. Crammed with so many memories of his musical journey, his dream to spend his old age in this house has died along with him. One Suren Niyog used to cater to Bhupenda's domestic chores when he used to visit, and has been taking care of the house for the past 40 years now. The absence of the maestro has now plummeted Niyog's spirit to its depth.
এই কুঠৰি বাগৰি কাজিৰঙা এই এলেকাত এটি পৰ্যা তেখেতে মানে স্থাপিত কৰিছিল আৰু নিজৰ হাতেৰে তেখেতে ইয়াত দুই এটা কামো কৰিছিলে ঘৰটোত আৰু তেখেত ঘৰ বনাই ইয়াত কমাও এমাহ দিন জিৰণি লৈছিলে আৰু এই ঘৰটোত যেতিয়া আছিলে তেখেতে ডিফলৰ বিলত গৈ বৰশীও বাইছিলে হুইল বৰশী দি আৰু পিছফালে যিখিনি পাহাৰ আছিলে পৰ্বত সেই সকলোতো নিজেই খোজকাঢ়ি গৈ চোৱা চিতা কৰিছিলে সেই ভূপেন দাই তেখেতৰ যিখন ইয়াত বিছনা সেই বিছনাতেই বহি পেলাই তেখেতে প্ৰজাপতি চিনেমা আলোচনা কৰি প্ৰজাপতি চিনেমা শ্বুটিং কৰিছিলে আৰু কাজিৰঙাৰ এটা গান গাইছিলে এই তেখেতে বিছনাত বহিছে মই তেখেতৰ পকাত বহি পেলাই মই শুনি আছিলোঁ তেখেতৰ ৰাজ্য শ্ৰাদ্ধৰ দিনাখন আমি ইয়াতেই ভগৱানৰ নামত নাম কীৰ্তন কৰিবলৈ মনত ভাৱ কৰিছোঁ হওক
Once ringing with music and rhythm, as Bhupenda used to invite the tea laborers into his house and sing with them. The house now reverberates with the sounds of tearful cries as the people gather in the house to pay tributes to the legend who is no more. Bhupenda will never return to this house again, but his music still haunts the house. The pictures on the walls still whisper about the eternal vagabond. The residents of Kuthori are now demanding that this house should be turned into a museum as a witness of the genius for future generations.
সাংস্কৃতিক মহাসভা অসমৰ তৰফৰ পৰা ভূপেন হাজৰিকাদেৱৰ যিটো কুথৰিত অস্থায়ী ঘৰ আছিল সেই ঘৰত আমি আদ্যশ্ৰাদ্ধ পাতিম বুলি আমি মনস্থ কৰিছোঁ
The vagabond who roamed the entire world, even though no more, has found his final resting place. It is in the hearts of the millions of the state, the nation, and even across the world. It is in the very nooks and crannies of this house of dreams in Kuthori. Biswajit Sharma, Frontier TV, Bukakhat.
Golaghat registered highest number of crime cases in Assam each day. But since the demise of music maestro Dr. Bhupen Hazarika on 6th November, no cases have been registered so far. We bring your report.
Highest crime rates registered in Assam is in Golaghat. The Golaghat police station registers 8 to 16 FIRs every day. However, eccentric one may say, since the day of legendary Dr. Bhupen Hazarika's demise on 6th of November, no cases of crime have been registered in the Golaghat police station till date, according to police officials.
এখন জিলাৰ সদৰ থানা হিচাপে
সদায় কেছ থাকে 8-10টা পৰ্যন্ত কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হয় কিন্তু এই দেখিলো 7 তাৰিখে কেছ নাই তেনেকুৱা আৰু কোনো ৰিপৰ্টও হোৱা নাই আৰু ৰিপৰ্ট হলেতো আমাৰ তাত ৰেজিষ্টাৰ হয় এইটো ৰেজিষ্টাৰো হোৱা নাই 8 তাৰিখে যি এটা আহিছিলে হেতু কোৰ্টৰ পৰা অহা আছে এতিয়া আমি যদিও আৰক্ষী বিভাগৰ মানুহ আমি এটা অনুভৱ কৰিছো বা আমি উপলব্ধি কৰিছো যেন ক্ৰাইম জগতৰ লগত জড়িত যিসকল অভ্যাসগত ক্ৰিমিনেল তেখেতসকলো যেন এই ক্ষেত্ৰত মানে পিছ পৰি আছে এনেকুৱা যেন লাগিলে মিয়মান হৈ থকা যেন অনুভৱ এটা হৈছে
Music maestro Bhupen Hazarika and his songs have inspired many throughout his life. Even the miscreants and criminals are also mourning the death of this big-hearted human in true sense Dr. Bhupen Hazarika, who could not see people's miseries even as a young child. Tears and emotions run high and people sobbed and cried insolubly as the maestro left us forever. Generations to come will continue to be enriched by the legacy of his music. Input from Jaideep Gupta from Golaghat, News Desk Report, Frontier TV.
Well, we'll head in for a short break. More news on the other side.
সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ সিমেন্ট মানে টপসেম সিমেন্ট
মেঘালয়ৰ প্ৰসিদ্ধ লাইমষ্টোনেৰে নিৰ্মিত অধিক শক্তিশালী
টপসেম সিমেন্ট মজবুতি কা ভरोसा हमेशा
चुप चुप गपशप यूं हो जाने दो यारों को यारी फरमाने दो दोस्ती की सब बातें गुफ्तगू में चलने दो चुप चुप गपशप यूं हो जाने दो
पाओ অবিশ্বাস্যভাবে দ্রুত ডাউনলোড এয়ারসেল পকেট ইন্টারনেট 3G এয়ারসেল
স্বাস্থ্যৰ বাবে হানিকাৰক বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ মাদক দ্ৰব্য গ্ৰহণ অত্যধিক মছলাযুক্ত খাদ্য সঘনাই বাহিৰত কৰা খাদ্য গ্ৰহণে লিভাৰটো দুৰ্বল কৰি পেলায় আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ দুৰ্বল লিভাৰক সকলো সময়তে লাগে এক ৰক্ষা কৱচ লিপসেভ ডিএছৰ ৰক্ষা কৱচ
দাঁতৰ সুৰক্ষা যিদৰে সদায় টুথপেষ্ট লিভাৰৰ যত্নত সেইদৰে সদায়
লিপসেভ ডিএছ কেপচুল ডায়াবেটিক লোকেও গ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰে
সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ সিমেন্ট মানে টপসেম সিমেন্ট
মেঘালয়ৰ প্ৰসিদ্ধ লাইমষ্টোনেৰে নিৰ্মিত অধিক শক্তিশালী
टॉपसेम सीमेंट मजबूती का भरोसा हमेशा
Welcome back after this short break. Well, moving on, rhino poachers killed a full-grown rhino in Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary late on Tuesday night and escaped with the horn. The forest officials have not yet confirmed whether the rhino was killed by the poisoning or gunshot. This comes just a few days after Forest Minister Rakibul Hussain reopened the park for tourists on 5th November. Mentioned that 3 rhinos of Pavitra have been killed for their horns by poachers in the recent past, one of them in the event and another on 12th October. An important all-party meet was held today in the conference hall of Kokrajhar DC Donald Gilfand to discuss and review the present situation of the city. Representatives from APSU, ASU, AKRASU, ABMSU, Kokrajhar Merchant Association, All Bodo Women Welfare Association, Bodo Samaj, Bodo Sahitya Sabha, Bengali Yuva Chhatra Federation, political parties like BPF, BPPF, UDPF, AGP, BJP and Congress were present in the meet. The meet was chaired by Donald Gilfandlon, where IGP, BTAD, AK Sinha, Kaisab and SP Kokrajhar PK Datta participated. A discussion was held on the recent incidents of killings and extortions in the city. After the meet, both the DC and SP Kokrajhar addressed a press meet and said that all measures will be taken by the district administration as well as the police department to create a peaceful atmosphere in Kokrajhar. They also appealed to the general public to cooperate in creating a healthy situation in the city and maintaining peace. PK Datta said that an inquiry is on course to nab the perpetrators of the recent killings.
ইয়াত বিশেষকৈ টাউন এলেকাত পিলেন ৰাইডিং আমি বন্ধ কৰিম গেমলিং আমি বন্ধ কৰিম আৰু মানুহবোৰকো আমি অনুৰোধ বিজনেছ কমিটি মানুহবোৰকো অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যে তেওঁলোকে কোনোবা যদি ডিমাণ্ড নটিচ আহে বা অভাৰ ফোন তেওঁলোকৰ আইডেণ্টিটি ডিছক্ল'জ নকৰাকেই তেওঁলোকে পুলিচক SP চাহাবক ইনফৰ্ম কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ অফিচটো বন্ধ আছিলে বন্ধ থাকোঁতে যে